T20s has really changed the game of cricket, but still the charm of a 50-over match or test matches continues to remain intact. After a lot of research, today we have compiled something which you will not find on any other website. We had to go through huge amounts of data, and there is a chance that we might have missed out on some matches. If that is the case, we request our viewers to please educate us by leaving your comments in the comment section below. So welcome to Simri Chuma's top 10 most runs scored in the last 10 overs of ODIs. We have taken into account only completed overs. That is, any shortened over matches are not counted. Number 10, 129 runs. It is a tie between England and India. England reached this landmark when they played against Pakistan in 2015 in UAE. Jos Buttler went berserk and scored a 52-ball 116 runs for England to get 129 runs of the last 10 overs to reach 355 runs. Pakistan were bowled out for 271. The second instance was when Rohit Sharma hit that unbelievable 264 runs of 173 balls against Sri Lanka in 2014. India reached a mammoth 404 runs and Sri Lanka finished with just 251. Number 9, 133 runs. This was achieved by Australia against South Africa. Yes, it is that record-breaking match and as many hailed the best ODI ever. Australia scored 133 runs in the last 10 overs to set a never-before-seen 434 total. Ricky Ponting and Michael Hussey were the major contributors, and with a small cameo by Simons. But South Africa did the impossible by winning the match with a ball to spare. Number 8, 135 runs. In 2016, England once again took apart Pakistan's bowling, but this time it was in England and it was Alex Hales who did it. Alex Hales hit a 122-ball 171 and Jos the Boss hit a 90 of just 51 balls. Jos along with Morgan helped their team reach a commendable 444 for just 3 wickets. Last 10 overs constituted 135 runs. Pakistan were able to reach 275 runs and England won that match by 169 runs. Number 7, 142 runs. 2 instances of this happened. First, in 2004 ICC Champions Trophy, New Zealand played against USA. New Zealand playing first hit 347 in their allotted 50 overs. But they were only at 211 when Chris Cairns got out in the 43rd over. From there, Assal and especially Craig McMillan went on beast mode to hit 136 runs in the next 46 balls. Craig McMillan hit 64 runs in 27 balls. USA were able to reach only 137 to give New Zealand a 210 runs victory. The second match was during the 2019 World Cup, England versus Afghanistan. This is the match in which one of the modern day's most feared bowler, Rashid Khan, came just a few runs away from becoming the most expensive bowler in an ODI match. Rashid Khan was hit for 110 runs in just 9 overs. This was all thanks to Eoin Morgan and a cameo by Moeen Ali. Eoin Morgan hit a 71-ball 148 in which he hit 17 sixes and 4 boundaries. The English players pushed the score to 397 runs after they were at 255 in 40 overs. They hit 142 in the last 10 overs. Afghanistan reached 247 to give England a 150-run victory. Number 6, 144 runs. Many cannot forget this match. Cricket lovers remember this match when they saw 3 tremendous centuries from a single team. And Indian lovers remember this match when in India the entire stadium were in unison cheering for an opponent team player, ABD. It was at Mumbai where India played against South Africa, and South Africa, after a superb start by de Kock, kept the momentum going as the last 10 overs resulted in 144 runs. South Africa reached 438 in their 40 overs thanks to ABD's 61-ball 119 runs. India were all out for 224 to give the South Africans a 214-run victory. Number 5, 146. In an extremely difficult pitch, South Africa played Zimbabwe in 2015 World Cup, and they got only 28 runs in the first 10 overs. They slipped to 83 for 4 in 20.2 overs. That's when David Miller and Duminy paired up. Both of them slowly built their partnership only to go carnage mode in the last 10 overs. They hit 146 of the last 10 overs to reach a formidable 339 runs. Zimbabwe gave a tough fight but lost midway to go all out at 277. David Miller scored 138 of 92 balls and Duminy reached 115 of 100 balls in that match. Both were unbeaten. Number 447 runs. It was 2017 and Rohit Sharma reached his third double century mark in ODIs against Sri Lanka. He hit 153 ball 208 and usually Rohit Sharma accelerates as he builds his innings. He did exactly that here as well. Last 10 overs, Rohit Sharma helped halfway by Shreyas Iyer hit 147 runs to cross his double 100 feet. Rohit went from 116 to 208 off just 27 balls with 11 sixes and 3 fours to push India's total to 392. This was 141 runs too much for Sri Lanka. Number 350 runs. Once again, South Africa gets placed in this top 10 and once again it is our man ABD. In a 2015 World Cup match against West Indies, South Africa were at 258 at 40 overs. But the stage was set for ABD, who was already on rampage mode. He started showcasing his 360-degree batting pedigree as he deposited any ball that came over the boundary. In the 66 balls that he faced, he hit 162 runs. This includes a 30-run last over bowled by Holder. 408 runs were too hard a chase for the Caribbean team and they were all out for 151. Number 2, 154. West Indies once again was at the receiving end, but this time it was against England. England scored 154 in the last 10 overs thanks to Jos Buttler's whirlwinding 77-ball 150, which helped them post a commanding 418 runs. But no one expected what happened next. A 97-ball 162 by the universe boss Gale brought them to just 38 of the last 4 overs with 4 wickets in hand. But spinner Rashid, who went for 83 in his 9 overs, produced a magical over to take all the remaining 4 wickets in a single over, which was the 48th over, to give England a 30-run victory. Truly remarkable one-day international match. Number 163. Yes, you guessed it right. Once again, it's West Indies at the receiving end and once again, it's South Africa who achieved this feat. And once again, it is the brilliance of the one man which did the trick, ABD. ABD hit a record-breaking 44-ball 149 with 16 sixes against West Indies to help his team reach 439 runs. 3 centuries once again for South Africa and 163 runs scored in the last 10 overs, which also includes a wicket-taking 3-run final over by Andre Russell. West Indies reached 291 to give South Africa a 148-run victory. What do you think of this list? Do let us know in the comments section below. And if you did like it, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and press the like button, share it with your cricket enthusiastic friends or relatives, and do subscribe to Simply Chuma for more amazing and interesting videos on cricket and other sports.